My name is Sandeep Reddy, and today I'll be presenting my project, a cognitive and computational framework, AI-driven batting skill acquisition in cricket. Batting in cricket is highly complex motor skill that requires extensive practice and crucially continuous expert feedback. There are two major challenges. The first one depends on the individual coach skill level. Second, many learners, particularly beginners, lack consistent access to a coach for one-on-one guidance. My project addresses this by combining AI, computer vision, and cognitive learning principles. I developed the Smart Cricket Batting app, which aims to replicate and accelerate human coaching process. The system is built on layered architecture that integrates biomechanics with cognitive learning. At its core, it uses MediaPipe pose model and OpenCV. This allows the system to capture a player's stance from an image, video, or live webcam feed and instantly extract different skeletal key points, the major joints, to represent the pose. This visual information is converted into quantitative data by calculating precise angular measurements between joints and assessing balance and bat orientation. We use the cosine formula to determine joint angles like the elbow angle, which enables the model to detect precise biomechanical deviations. Crucially, from a cognitive science perspective, this framework models how the human brain learns motor skills. It is grounded in error-based motor learning and the Crumb framework. The AI acts as an external feedback loop, mimicking how the brain cerebellum processes motor correction to reinforce procedural memory and promotes long-term skill acquisition. So the output of the system is real-time multimodal feedback. It compares users' posture to the professional reference and provides normalized score out of 100. So if you see here, image 1 is a bad posture, which says 46, and the second posture is 77 by 100. And then it also shows these dynamically color-coded messages with specific corrections, and also it even provides audio narration. We'll see in a bit in the demo. And here, if you see the results in session 1, session 2, session 3, the mean posture score increased from 63 to 89. Error rate decreased from 36 to 10, and the player reported confidence increased from 2.6 to 4.6 on a scale of 5. So players showed an improvement. So with continuous AI-driven feedback-based training to enhance the skill acquisition. So let's see the demo very quickly, and then we'll come to conclusion. So this is the Smart Cricket coaching app. So there are multiple ways to upload videos or images. So I'm comparing another image. This is a professional cricket posture of a player I got from Google. And then if I browse the files and then upload a bad posture, for example, so this score is 46. If you see, the torso is bent and then the head is falling over and all. So it shows major issues and then the improvements that you can get. And there is also audio feedback. So players can use the audio feedback. And I can also submit a little bit better image here. So this one is 77 by 100. And then if you see, this posture looks similar to this professional player's posture. And then we can also use webcam for live feed. So currently I'm just sitting in front of a computer, so the posture is bad and then the score is low, and then it shows improvements that I need. And then if I move the head, so it dynamically calculates the score if I move my head. So that's the demo. And then getting back to conclusion, the Smart Cricket Batting Coach app successfully demonstrates the transformative role AI can play in skill-based learning, where one-on-one coaching is essential. The framework essentially bridges analytical feedback and human learning behavior. The system's application extend far beyond cricket. This framework can be applied to different sports like baseball and tennis, and also holds and it can also be used in physical rehabilitation or motor therapy, or even for posture correction sitting in front of a desk. For future work, the Smart Cricket Batting Coach will incorporate advanced motor tracking, predictive modeling, and reinforcement learning to personalize coaching for individual players. Thank you.